morning, children. Now we shall see the part second. Now the name of the lesson is The Selfish Giant. We have seen already part 1. Today we shall discuss about the part second. See on page number 21. And the giant's heart melted as he looked out. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree. And then I will knock down the wall. And my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. Now the giant is repenting for the work he had done. Now you can see the picture. Here you can see that there is blossom. The trees are blooming. The flowers are blooming. Again we can see the spring season there because the heart of the giant has been changed. Now he is loving the children. Now here you can see the picture on page number 22. This picture shows that giant has been changed totally. He is sitting among the children. He is playing with the children. He is happy and he thinks that he had done something wrong earlier. See on page number 22. Years went by and the giant grew very old and feeble. Feeble means weak. He could not play about anyone. So he sat in a huge armchair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. Now he is watching the children playing there in the garden. Dear children, if you see the picture, you can understand what is the story about and what is the role of giant. See just above, every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with the giant. But the little boy whom the giant loved was never seen again. The giant was very kind to all the children, yet he longed for his little friend and often spoke of him. How I would like to see him, he used to say. Now he removed the walls that was barrier for the children. He is loving the children very much. Earlier in the first part you might have seen that he wrote a notice the trespassers would be prosecuted. Now he has been changed totally. Thank you, children. Now children, you have been given some questions for writing. Describe in brief the giant's garden. Now there are several kinds of trees in the garden. They are blooming. In second part we see that there is spring season. Why did he build a high wall around his garden? He built a high wall around his garden so that children may not play there. Describe the nature of giant. Now in second part we see that he has been totally changed. The nature of giant has been changed. Fourth one, what does the winter symbolize for? The winter symbolizes for something bad, something which is not good, something which is not interesting. The winter symbolizes that something is not good, something is going to be happened not in a proper way. How selfish I have been. Who said this? This has been said by giant. Write 2-3 lines which show that there has been change in the nature of giants. Now here is the line, but the little boy whom giant loved was never seen. Years went by and the giant grew very old and feeble. He could not play about anymore. So he sat in a huge armchair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. Last 4-5 lines on page number 22.